You can do it. Chew. Don't swallow. Chew. Chew. There you go.
Make it smaller. Make it smaller.
Put it in your mouth.
Oh, man. It'll fit.
Come on, get all that
It'll
cream.
fit.
Get all that cream in your mouth. There you go. Come on. There's still more. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
dude, that's sick. Oh, dude.
He's swallowing.
You lost the fight. You lost. Get it.
They made you do that for nothing. You threw up on me.
Y'all ain't giving the $5.
He was like, when you said, "Oh, you lose." When I said you didn't swallow, he was like,
He swallowed. He wasn't supposed to swallow yet.
Oh, that's messed up.
That was the rules. He said it himself. I gotta shove it all in without swallowing and then say yeah.
"Didn't swallow all that stuff."
Yeah.
Come on.
That'd be like taking that John
Rules
Holmes here, dude.
are rules.
Video. You recording that?
Yeah.
Was that going on Facebook? Yeah. He's got the light on too. That's why I was surprised everyone else is recording.